Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. PayPal is still one of the easiest and safest ways to send and receive money online. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to use PayPal in 2025 from creating your account to making payments, withdrawing funds, and more. First of all, let's create a PayPal account. Go to paypal.com or download the PayPal app from your App Store or Google Play Store. Then click Sign Up. Choose the personal or business account. For freelance sale online or in person, choose business. Send, spend, and manage transactions. Select personal. Click Get Started button. Choose your country. US. Enter your email address. Click Next. Wait a minute. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary mail. Now copy the mail and paste here, then click next. Now enter your phone number, then follow the process like enter your name and create a secure password. Fill in your address and date of birth. Use your real information to avoid account limitations later. Now link a payment method so you can send or withdraw money. Go to then log into your account. Then go to account settings from the right sidebar or from the dashboard. Click link a bank. Then you can link a debit card or credit card, a bank account in some countries, mobile wallets like Gcash or M-Pesa. Verifying your card or bank increases your PayPal limits and security. To send money through PayPal, click Send and Request. Then click Pay and Get Paid option, then choose Send Payments. Enter the email address or phone number of the recipient. Choose if it's for friends or family, no fees. Enter the amount and optional message. Choose your payment method and click Send. The recipient gets notified instantly. Receiving money is just as easy. Share your PayPal email address. Once someone sends you money, it will appear in your PayPal balance. You will also get an email notification. If it's a business payment, make sure your account is upgraded to a business type for proper invoicing and tracking. To move money from PayPal to your local bank account, just go to pay and get paid option, then click money, and then link a bank account, enter the amount and click continue and confirm. Transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days or instantly with a fee if supported. PayPal is accepted by millions of online stores like Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, and more. Like eBay, go to ebay.com, pick a product, then click add to cart, go to checkout, then select PayPal from here, then pay with PayPal. Now add your login to your login and confirm the payment. Choose your funding source, card balance, or bank. You are covered with PayPal buyer protection in case of fraud or delivery issues. Here are a few tips to keep your account safe and effective. Turn on two-factor authentication. Never share your password or verification codes. Use invoices for selling to appear more professional. Check your activity tab regularly for suspicious transactions. For business owners, you can also integrate PayPal into your website or store. And that's it. That's how to use PayPal like a pro in 2025, whether you are shopping online, freelancing, or running a business. It's still one of the most trusted platforms out there. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.